بسم اللہ الرحمن الرحیم۔ السلام علیکم ورحمۃ اللہ وبرکاتہ۔ دوستو، میں ہوں آپ کا دوست امتیاز اسلم ملک۔ آج میری ویڈیو ان دوستوں کے نام ہے جو 5 وقت کی مختلف طریقوں سے اذان دینا سیکھنا چاہتے ہیں۔ دوستو، ویڈیو شروع کرنے سے پہلے میری آپ سے درخواست ہے کہ نیچے سرخ بٹن پہ جس پہ سبسکرائب لکھا ہوا ہے اس پہ کلک کریں اور ساتھ ہی بیل آئیکن پہ کلک کریں تاکہ میری ہر نئی آنے والی ویڈیو سے آپ کو مطلع کیا جائے۔ تو آئیں ویڈیو سٹارٹ کرتے ہیں۔
اللہ اکبر اللہ اکبر Very good. Now from here the entire adhan until again you find Allahu Akbar until the takbir is same, but the first set if you get it khalas, just listen to it. Ashhadu an la ilaha illallah أشهد أن لا إله إلا الله. You take it higher, 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 and you try to project the voice as far as possible. The second of the same type, أشهد أن لا إله إلا الله أشهد أن محمد رسول الله أشهد أن محمد رسول الله حي على الصلاة حي على الصلاة حي على الفلاح حي على الفلاح الله أكبر الله أكبر الله أكبر الله أكبر لا إله إلا الله الله أكبر الله أكبر الله أكبر الله أكبر. It's too powerful. Not now, inshallah. So many people will say, I want, no. Khutwa, khutwa. Step by step, step by step. Okay? So, the higher stage will be, Ashhadu an la ilaha illallah. Ashhadu an la ilaha illallah. Ashhadu anna Muhammad Rasulullah. أشهد أن محمد رسول الله. Like this until the end, only from the throat. The sound comes from your stomach. This one is Okay, so if I just say from the throat, Allahu Akbar, Allahu Akbar, khalas. From the power, no problem. Allahu Akbar, Allahu Akbar. Convert that into a better invitation. You go to your son or daughter maybe, you know that, they slept late, so you start saying, Assalamu alaikum son, Assalamu alaikum daughter. I know you've been awake for the, last hour, 2 hours, 3 hours, and you slept quite late at night. Just, it's a matter of few minutes, wake up and get rid of the shaitan, I'm sure you can do it, mashallah, please. Okay, and you talk to him nicely and softly. So, this invitation gives a nice feeling. He says, yes, father, yes, baba, yes, dad, whatever it is. Now you convert that same thing into the adhan of Fajr. I'll tell you, if you do the same thing, as Maghrib and Isha, it will not work because it will create a lightning in you. For Fajr it has to be like this. Allahu Akbar, Allahu Akbar. Allahu Akbar, Allahu Akbar. As-salatu khayrun minan nawm. As-salatu khayrun minan nawm. I'm sure anybody who listens to something like this, they'll be impressed. And I was impressed probably 30 years ago when I listened to a very nice muazzin in Medina. We entered exactly at the time of tahajjud, and this is exactly the same type of adhan. I said, I want to learn like that, and alhamdulillah, Allah has blessed me that I am not just able to do it, and I'm also able to teach it to other people. So may Allah subhanahu wa ta'ala accept from us. So alhamdulillah. Now this same adhan, if you do it at Maghrib time, what happens? People come and return from work, they come home, they're returning from home, already they're tired, they will shut down again. So at Maghrib, it has to be powerful. Allahu Akbar, Allahu Akbar. Allahu Akbar, Allahu Akbar. Now for Aisha, everybody wants to now really go to bed. They want to sleep. So for Aisha again, you have to have more powerful. Allahu Akbar, Allahu Akbar. This is one type. Then you have another type, which is a different form. This is from Arab al-Hijaz. This is from the Mecca and the Medina type. But then you have the type from Sham and from Misr and from Jordan. And it also has different forms. So I'm giving you samples so that we can train two different groups, inshallah. Allahu Akbar, Allahu Akbar. Allahu Akbar, Allahu Akbar. As-salatu khayrun minan nawm. Maghrib salat. Allahu Akbar, Allahu Akbar. Allahu Akbar, Allahu Akbar. Isha time. Allahu Akbar, Allahu Akbar. Allahu Akbar, Allahu Akbar. Now everybody will be wake up. Yes, I want to go to Salah. People who don't pray to Salah, they will come to Salah. That is how it is automatic da'wah towards Salah and towards Islam. They say, wow, what is this? This is amazing. What will happen is, when you listen to your own voice, no, my voice is not good. Tomorrow, then again you listen to it. No, I have to make it better. And first day until the 30th day, you'll see a huge difference in 1 month. And mashallah, you'll come, Brother Qari Imran Khan, please sit down. I'm going to teach now. Okay? So inshallah, we hope and pray for all your families. May Allah subhanahu wa ta'ala give you nice health and protect you all from the evils and safeguard your children and give you long life. May Allah subhanahu wa ta'ala protect us all from the bad things in this society and give our children